Hello, how are you all? I'm working on a project, and I need to tilt this piece of wood here. It's very warped. Thank you. Well, as you can see here, it's a ruler that has a piece that is 1 meter and 35, 1 meter and 35 long. And here in the center, it is a difference of 3 millimeters. You can see there, I'm picking the tip. And it comes opening and has 3 millimeters here. To remove this with a plane, it's really hard wood. Even with an electric plane, it's a lot of work. It's a terrible job. So what's the tip here? I'm going to remove this with the circular saw. Well, I'm going to put an aluminum guide here, which is my rail that I have, but it could be a ruler, guide, whatever you have. I'm going to take it off with the saw, and then we'll plane it. Just to clean it up and remove any differences that were left by the saw. So what I'm going to do, you guys can follow along. Then you'll see what the result is like. Well, that's it. I've just finished cutting. You can see I took off a very thin fillet. But what about that? To take all that off with the plane? It's not enough for the saw. It would be a lot for the plane, right? So you can see a lot now. Let's stand this up. I'm going to put my ruler. Well, you can see, look, what? The difference is gone. Well, still, okay? Okay. So now, just ask Polish to do this fine cleaning here. Look, just to remove these little scratches that are left here from saw marks. But what needed to be planed has already been planed. Okay, guys, so I leave this tip for you to make your work easier. Much faster. And more efficient. A hug to everyone, and until next time, good work to everyone. Always remembering to use safety equipment. Until next time.